The next challenge that we're going to do is called Filter Accumulators 1. So I'm going to try and use this accumulator pattern to actually find the intersection of these two lists. If you're not sure what an intersection is, I would highly recommend that you go to our statistics course and go into sets and set operations and take a look at the intersections lesson, and you can get some good description on what exactly an intersection is. But for the time being, we'll just assume that we know what an intersection is. That's when an item is in both of the lists, is the intersection of those two lists. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I know that I want to return a list that contains the elements that are in both lists. So I'm going to just go ahead and call this list intersect, since that's representative of what we're actually doing here. And then I'm just going to pick one of the lists arbitrarily. We're not necessarily told that these lists are going to be numbers. They could be any type of object. So I'm going to iterate for the object in my list 1 and then filter. I'm going to say if that object is in list 2, then I want to go ahead and append it to my list intersect. And if not, nothing will happen. The loop will just move on to the next iteration. And then lastly, I will want to return that intersection. I'll go ahead and give this a test, double check that it works, and we can see that we're in good shape here.